Hello friends, welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Today I will discuss how to square any number from 475 to 525 in few seconds in your mind without pen, paper, pencil or even calculator. This with general method. It will take a long time and long effort to do this kind of squares. But using this method that I will teach you, if your brain is very strong, then you can do it without pen, paper, pencil, calculator or any other writing equipment. But if you are weak, then if you want to do it with pen, paper, pencil, then it is also very short and you can do it easily. And this is also a reliable way of squaring. So let's start. I also hope that you remember this chart. So it's the essence of squaring. This chart of this method obviously. So our first number, let's take 478. Today's base is 500. Today's base is 500. And 478 is 22 less than 500. As it is lesser, we will also deduct or subtract 22 from 478. So 478 minus 22 equals 456. Now we will multiply this with 5. So it equals 2280. Then we have to square 22, which is 484. As it is a 3-digit number, we will add 4 to 2280 and we will write 84 next to it. So 2280 plus 4 is 2284 and then we will write 84 and this is our answer, 228484. Now we will take our next example. Now if we write 513, let's say then example is 513. It is 13 greater than 500. And as it is greater, we will again add 13 to 513. So 513 plus 13 equals 526. And we multiply this with 5, which equals to 630. I'm doing it in my mind. And so 13 square is 169. As it is a 3-digit number, we will add 1 to 2630 and then write 69 next to it. So the answer is 263 plus 2630 plus 1 is 2631 and then 69. And this is our answer, 263169. Now you can go on with this for any number you like between 475 to 525 in your mind. And if your mind is strong, then you can do it in your mind. And if yours is weak, short, you can do this with short effort with pen, paper, pencil. Without calculator obviously. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.